Hey y'all, it's T Marie. Welcome to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. For this video, we are doing a tape-in install, so keep on watching.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
I purchased my tape-in extensions from BetterLength. This is their light Yaki texture, and I got 16 and 18 inches. Off camera, I did go ahead and color the tape-ins to match my hair. To start this install, I am going to part my hair across the middle of my hair, and we are going to section that off. I am going to start installing the tape-ins in the front of my hair. I felt like it was the most easiest, and I can see the front of my hair as opposed to the back of my head. I am now sectioning off my leave out for this section. So what I'm doing is just making sure that there's enough hair left out, so that way if I put it in a ponytail, you cannot see the tape-ins. I'm going to use my comb and just make sure that I have enough hair covered. And as you can see in this section, I'm gonna wanna add a little bit more. So I'm gonna go back in, I'm gonna add a little bit more hair for my leave out section. And then we are going to retry the comb method and just make sure that we are unable to see it. And then we're going to go ahead and get started with our first tape in. So I'm going back in with my comb to make sure that I left enough leave out along the perimeter. So I am good with the amount of hair that I am leaving out. So I'm going to go ahead and start installing my tape ins. So the technique that I decided to use that was easiest for me was to install the first tape in going upward and then making sure that it's in the right place before pressing it down and securing it in place. The key thing that you want to keep in mind is do not place the tape ins too close to your scalp. You want to have enough room so that there's mobility, so that way you can pull it up into a ponytail and do additional versatile styles with your hair. And also you want to eliminate breakage, so you do not want to place the tape-ins directly on your scalp or near your scalp. Now that I've installed the first tape-in, I'm going to install the next tape-in and sandwich it together, and I'm going to press down and make sure that it is secure. And then another technique that I decided to do as well is to go in with my flat iron and apply a little bit of heat just to make sure that the tape-ins stick. So I'm going to continue installing the tape-in an upward motion. One thing that I did was I installed them going slanted because I wanted the hair to really fall into my face. So if that's the look that you're going for, you're gonna want to install them the same way that I am installing them. Another tip that I want to give you guys is just how you see me adding this tape in this section here. This section was a little bit too small for me to fit the entire tape in, so I cut it in half. So if you're okay with cutting your tape ins in half, I recommend that you go ahead and do that. Another thing is that with me installing the bottom tape in first, I'm able to flip the tape in downward, and whatever hair is attached to the tape in is what I'm going to leave on the tape in. You do not want to have like a gang of hair on your tape in, or it will not stick. So as you see me here, whatever hair is sticking to the tape in is what will be sandwiched in between the tape in. Anything that's not sticking is not going in the tape in. So I'm going to continue doing this method for the entire front part of my hair. And as you can see, I have completely finished this section, and I can flip it up into a ponytail. You cannot see any of my tape-ins. So now we're gonna start on the other side, literally doing the same exact technique that I did on the other front side. So I am going to be quiet for a little while and finish this section. If you're enjoying this video so far, please subscribe. So the front section is completely finished. I'm going to put this in a bun. It looks so cute, by the way. So I'm super excited for the style. And then I'm gonna start working on the back section. So I have parted out my perimeter and just made sure that this was enough leave out to cover all of my tape-ins to put it into a ponytail. Now, the back was the most challenging. As you can see, I have another mirror in front of me and I have a mirror behind me, so that way I can see exactly where I'm placing the tape in. So again, this piece that I am installing right now is half of a tape in because a full tape in was not going to fit in that section. I have a small head, so I will mimic the same technique that I used in the front section of my hair. I will say the difference with doing the back, and you will see that as you continue to watch the video, is that as you are going upward, you're gonna wanna place your tape-ins in like a smile or like a C type of shape. So this would help with putting your hair in a ponytail and other styles. So here you're going to start to see me make this smile or this C type of shape to start installing the tape-ins. And I thought that this technique was best for me. This was my first time doing these tape-ins, so I was really excited about it. So I'm hoping that as I am installing this and kind of telling you guys what works for me, hopefully it helps you guys along the way, because I know that this style is extremely expensive to go to a professional, and if you are like me and can do your hair yourself, watch a few tutorials and get your hair looking right, I would suggest you do that. So if you notice how my tape-ins are kind of curving, and then I can put them in a ponytail, you can't see the tape-in. So that is the look that we are going for. So now that I have completed my curve or my smile, now I'm going to just install the tape-ins straight across. And I'm going to continue using the same technique that I have used throughout this video. So I'm gonna let you guys watch me finish the back section, and then I'll come back on once I'm finished. So we have completely finished installing our tape-ins and I love them. It looks so cute, so natural. This is my first time getting Yaki hair texture, so I really like how it mimics my hair in a silk press kind of state. So if you're looking for something that's going to mimic a silk press, I highly recommend the BetterLength Hair. You are going to love it. So I'm taking the bun out because I want to see how it looks. I want to see how it lays. This style took me about 3 hours to do. The back took the longest amount of time. So keep that in mind if you're trying it. So this is the next day. I am going to flat iron my hair because, girl, when I finished my hair, like, I was in a rush and I had things to do. So I didn't get a chance to flat iron it yesterday. So I'm going to go through and flat iron the tape-ins along with my hair and let it blend. Off camera, I did go ahead and trim the ends, so you'll be able to see how it looks. It's gonna look really, really good, guys, so just keep on watching. And while I have you, please, please, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I really hope this video was helpful and I gave you guys a lot of tips and tricks. If there's something that I missed, just leave it in the comment section because I will be doing this hairstyle again because that's how much I love it. All of the information for this hair, my Instagram handles and all of that kind of stuff is going to be in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. Girl, we have silk pressed this hair. It is looking fabulous. It is movable. It is bouncy. It is everything. Look at the layers. Look at it. Just, it looks so good. It looks so good, y'all. So I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up and I will see you guys in my next tutorial.